Congratulations! You have purchased the COTTERMAN MAXI-LIFT, a reliable American-made, manually propelled, winch-operated elevating aerial platform. To help you achieve the best possible operation from the MAXI-LIFT over the longest period of time, we have prepared this video for your use in observing procedures for operating and maintaining the MAXI-LIFT. The first part of the video is to be used in training your personnel in the proper operation of the MAXI-LIFT. Part 2 will aid in the proper maintenance of the MAXI-LIFT. Only by thorough training can you enable your personnel to operate and maintain the MAXI-LIFT efficiently and safely. This part of the video presents procedures required to operate the MAXI-LIFT properly and safely. Use this video along with the instruction manual to train those persons who will operate the MAXI-LIFT and those responsible for the training of operators. Training of those personnel who will operate the MAXI-LIFT must be conducted with the unit in an area free of obstructions or other hazards. Before using the MAXI-LIFT, ensure that the unit has been properly serviced and is in good working order in accordance with the maintenance portion of this video and the instruction manual. Do not move the MAXI-LIFT at any time, even when fully lowered with personnel on the unit. First, survey the job site. The MAXI-LIFT is intended for use on hard level surfaces such as concrete, asphalt, or wood and tile floors on a concrete base, such as a gymnasium floor. Do not use on asphalt in hot weather without pads to distribute weight. Do not use the MAXI-LIFT on soft or inclined surfaces, such as dirt or gravel. Do not use on any portable surface, such as truck beds and trailers. The MAXI-LIFT is not designed to be operated in hazardous atmospheres containing explosive gases or dust. Do not operate the MAXI-LIFT when exposed to wind, rain, snow, or ice. The MAXI-LIFT is not insulated. Do not use near energized power lines. Refer to Appendix B, Figure 1 of the instruction manual. Look up to see if there will be any interference with the platform as it is elevated. Do not operate the MAXI-LIFT in an area where it may suffer a collision from other equipment. Especially be aware of overhead collisions from hoists or cranes. If units must be used in the travel path of a hoist or crane, remove hoist or crane from service and lock out to prevent their operation. If the MAXI-LIFT must be used in a traffic area, erect a barricade around it or post a guard at the base to alert such traffic. Proceed with the operation only when the work area is secure. The MAXI-LIFT features 4 independent outriggers for safety and convenience. The use of the outriggers is mandatory in the operation of the MAXI-LIFT. Do not use the unit without extending the outriggers. Pull pin out, then pull outrigger out and insert pin into anchor hole located on the outrigger tube. Do this with each outrigger. Raise the platform cage assembly by pivoting the assembly up using the side rails. Step up on the ladder leading to the platform, and with the railing assembly pivoted to the position where the side holes are aligned with the barrel bolts on the platform, move the barrel bolt rod into the holes and lock the bolts securely. This is done on both sides of the platform. Labels on the platform show the barrel bolts as they should be when locked. Make sure that the MAXI-LIFT is situated in the proper position and on a firm and level surface. Look up to be sure that the platform will give access where desired when raised. The outrigger jacks must then be screwed down into contact with the surface. The jacks must be adjusted to ensure that the MAXI-LIFT is level. To help do this, a level may be placed as shown to assist in leveling the MAXI-LIFT. The operation of any work platform is subject to certain hazards that cannot be protected against by mechanical means, but only by the exercise of intelligence, care, and common sense. It is therefore essential to have competent, careful operators, physically and mentally fit and thoroughly trained in the safe operation of this type of equipment. If you do not fit this description, do not operate the equipment. Do not alter any of the safety devices. Read and observe all precautions listed on the labels. Do not exceed the maximum capacity as posted on the platform capacity tag. Do not lean out over the platform railings to perform work. Do not stand on railings to obtain greater height. To elevate the platform to the desired height, make sure that the safety dog on the winch is engaged by moving the pin until it slides into the sleeve as shown. Rotate the winch handle clockwise as shown until the platform is elevated to the desired position. To enter the platform, the operator can now climb up the frame ladder and then up the ladders which lead to the platform. To enter the platform, the slide rail can be pushed up as the person enters the platform. Do not disable the slide rail by raising and attaching it to the top rail. Do not use ladders or any other devices on the platform to obtain extra height. Do not let cords or other equipment dangle or be placed in such a way as to become entangled in the MAXI-LIFT mechanism. Do not allow personnel to stand under the platform or in a position to become entangled in the mechanism. Do not use the work platform as a dead man in performing work operations which produce an excessive horizontal force. To leave the platform, raise the sliding bar and proceed to climb down the ladders to the ground floor. Lowering the platform after completion of work requires that the safety dog on the winch be pulled out by the pin and rotated to keep it out. To move the safety dog, you must take pressure off of it with the winch handle by rotating the handle clockwise. The weight of the platform and columns allow lowering the platform by rotating the winch handle counterclockwise. Only after the platform is at its lowered position should the outrigger jacks be raised and returned to their storage position. Remove the locking pins and slide the outriggers into the frame. The locking pins should now be placed in storing position to lock the outriggers into place. The safety cage may then be released by unlocking the barrel bolts on the platform. The cage may then be pivoted down to its storing position. The MAXI-LIFT may now be moved to a new position or moved to its storing location. Do not store the MAXI-LIFT in an environment which could lead to the rusting of any of the unit's parts. If questions arise during the operator training that cannot be answered by reading the instruction manual, or a manual is not available with this video, COTTERMAN Company is just a phone call away. Call 1-800-552-3337, and we will answer any question you may have regarding the MAXI-LIFT operation. When the operation and maintenance manual has been read and this video has been viewed and both are thoroughly understood, proceed by taking the proficiency test required. If the proficiency test is not passed, do not operate the MAXI-LIFT. This concludes the operation portion of the training video.